learn to pray. Life can be wedding cake. Get out and let it go. Up north down to Mexico. Everywhere can be our home. This is my life. This is your life. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. We are gold. Me and all my friends. Oh, feeling wild, feeling free. Look at all these possibilities. The world is ours, nothing we can't do. Look at all these possibilities. Look at all of these possibilities.
Welcome to Cella's first birthday party!
Spread my wings and let go. Something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now it begins, now it begins.
Stella Atalia, yung name niya means forever. Atalia means Yahweh is exalted. So gusto namin sa buhay ni Stella maitaas si Lord.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive.
Nung dumating siya sa buhay namin, kinumpleto niya yung life namin.
Kailangan mas maging responsable kasi merong isang buhay na dumedepende at aasa sa amin.
Happy birthday, Stella! Happy birthday,
It's a good day to be alive. I was
Stella kasi talagang siya yung nagpapasaya sa family. So kahit pagod, kahit puyat, talagang napapasaya niya talaga kami. Yung pakiramdam na siya yung nagko-comfort sa akin.
like a dove, I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins.
Intentionally pumupunta ako sa room para laruin siya. Kasi kapag naglalaro kami, humingiti siya, tumatawa, gumaganda yung mood ko.
Rolling on like the thunder with
Maraming salamat po Panginoon na iyong ipinagkaloob upang kami ay magsama-sama at saksihan Panginoon ng isang mahalagang araw sa buhay ng batang ito sapagkat sa kanyang mga magulang ay ikaw po ay nagpala. Isang regalo si Stella Panginoon sa mag-asawa pong ito.
Ang wish and prayer ni Daddy na lumaki kang merong intimate relationship sa Lord. Prayer ko na bigyan ka ng Lord ng wisdom, knowledge, and understanding at lumaki kang marunong i-manage yung finances.
Lahat ng ginagawa ni Daddy at Mommy ay para sa'yo. At maging mapagmahal kang anak, maging masunurin, at maging mabuting tao.
It's a good day to be alive.
Happy birthday, Stella! We love you!